Inside a futuristic facility in Germany operated by BMW, one of the most advanced sports cars ever created begins its journey, the BMW i8. A machine that perfectly blends innovation, performance, and futuristic design. The journey starts in a modern design studio, where engineers and designers shape every detail using advanced digital models and precision prototypes. Once the design is finalized, production begins with one of the i8's most unique features, its carbon fiber structure. This ultra-lightweight material is molded under high pressure to create the life module, the strong passenger cell of the car. At the same time, the aluminum drive module is assembled, forming the base that holds the drivetrain and suspension. Robotic arms work with incredible precision, welding and assembling components at high speed, while skilled technicians ensure everything meets exact standards. As the structure takes shape, the hybrid heart of the i8 is installed. A powerful electric motor is combined with a turbocharged engine, delivering both efficiency and performance. The battery pack is carefully integrated in a controlled environment, ensuring safety and perfect balance. Next, the car begins to transform visually. Carbon fiber body panels are mounted, and the vehicle moves into a high-tech paint booth, receiving its signature futuristic finish. Inside, the cabin is assembled with premium materials, advanced displays, and modern technology. In the final stage, every detail is inspected and tested. Engineers carefully check performance, safety, and quality. And finally, after passing all tests, the BMW i8 rolls out, a true symbol of future engineering and automotive excellence.